It's ready. That's it. It's ready. Oh yeah, come and eat. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you doing today? Happy Sunday to all my fans. Guys, in today's video, we'll be making a fried rice, Nigeria fried rice. And I want to introduce my ingredients to you. Okay, let me show you. I have my chicken here. It's cooked already. I have a scallop bonnet pepper, red, yellow, and chopped onion. I have my prawns. I have stock meat. I have spices for fried rice with one seasoning cube curry. I have my salt to taste. I have green beans. I have carrots. I have sunflower oil. I have my white rice. So these are ingredients I'll be using for this delicious fried rice. Now let's get started, guys. So guys, let's start with the oil. Allow to heat for a while. Let's introduce prawn. So guys, the prawn is ready. Let's start with other ingredients. Now guys, let me add another oil. This is the chopped onion. This is the rice. I've washed the rice and this is the pot. Let's start cooking rice. Here I have fried rice seasoning and plain seasoning. Let's introduce. Stir to combine. Carrots. Stir to combine. Let's leave it for some minutes. Now let's go over to the rice. Okay, the light is on. And this is the stock meat. I'll be using it to cook rice. Show you the inside. Now guys, I'll be adding curry. Yes, I'll be adding curry. Let's introduce our stuffed bonnet pepper. Stir to combine. Curry for the rice. Look at the quantity. With just little water. Stir to combine. Now cover, allow to cook. Now let's introduce our green beans. One is almost ready. So guys, it's ready. Let's set it aside and start cooking rice. This is the rice. That's our prawn. Guys, let's introduce the prawn. Cover, allow to cook. Guys, let's check the rice. Is this strong? Guys, now let's to combine. Just small. Is to combine. So guys, this is the outcome of this fried rice, and if you're watched to this point, thank you so much and remain blessed. And if today is your very first time coming across my video, you are highly welcome. My name is Nkechi Cynthia. I am from Nigeria, based in UK with my family. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. Thank you so much, guys. This food tasted so delicious. Come and join me. Let's eat. I will see you on my next video. Bye.